Typing is part of almost every workday, but it can quickly slow you down when you need to write emails, team messages, notes, documents, or detailed AI prompts. Especially when you already know what you want to say, manually typing everything can feel unnecessarily slow. A good voice typing tool can help turn spoken thoughts into clean text, so writing feels faster and more natural. Willow Voice is a voice typing tool for Mac, Windows, and iOS designed to work anywhere you normally type on your computer. You can use it to write emails, create prompts, take notes, or chat with the team. The basic workflow is simple. You press the preferred hotkey, speak naturally, let go, and Willow writes the text for you. But instead of only creating a raw transcript, Willow Voice uses AI to clean up the result, removes filler words, adds structure, match the tone, and make the final text feel more like something you would actually write. One of the most important features is speed. Willow Voice is designed with around 200 milliseconds of latency, so after speaking, the text appears almost instantly. This is especially useful when writing longer emails, replying to team messages, or creating AI prompts where you need to give detailed context. Instead of stopping your thought process or type everything manually, you can speak your idea and keep moving. Another useful feature is filler word removal. When speaking naturally, people often say things like repeat words, or pause while thinking. Basic dictation tools usually include those mistakes in the final text, which means you still have to clean everything up afterwards. Willow Voice can remove these filler words automatically, so the result feels more polished and easier to use. Smart formatting is also a big part of the experience. If you dictate an email, Willow can format it with a greeting, paragraphs, and a sign-off. If you dictate a list, it can turn the spoken structure into a clear, numbered list. This makes it more useful for real work because the output is not just a block of text but something that is already structured. Willow Voice also focuses on context and tone. It can recognize names, technical terms, and specific wordings more accurately, and the custom dictionary lets you add important names, jargon, links, or text replacements. This can be helpful for professional workflows where small spelling mistakes in brand names, client names, or technical terms can be annoying. The tone matching is another practical detail. A quick Slack message should sound different from a formal email, and a prompt for an AI tool should be structured differently from a casual note. Willow can adapt the output depending on where you are typing and what kind of text you are creating. Over time, it can also learn your writing style, so the text feels closer to how you normally communicate. Privacy is also important here. Willow Voice is described as SOC 2 Type 2 certified, HIPAA compliant, and built with zero data retention. Transcripts are stored locally on the device and not on servers, which is relevant for professionals working with sensitive information. The setup is straightforward. You download Willow Voice, go through the onboarding, choose your preferred hotkey, and then start using it directly inside the apps where you already write. In daily use, the main advantage is simplicity. You do not need a complicated setup or different model settings. You hold the hotkey, speak, release it, and the text appears. It still takes a little time to get used to speaking your thoughts clearly, but the basic workflow is easy to understand. Overall, Willow Voice is interesting because it makes voice typing feel more practical for everyday work. What we like is that it does not only transcribe words, but also cleans up, formats, and adapts the results for different writing situations. For emails, messages, documents, and AI prompts that can save time and make writing feel more fluid. If you like to explore Willow Voice further, then you can find additional information in the description below.